Hey everyone, I will show you 5 Python tricks every beginner should know. These are simple, but I will make you code cleaner, fast and smarter. Let's go. Have you ever wanted to swap two numbers? Traditionally, in other languages, you might do this. Right? You need a temporary variable. But in Python, swapping is super easy. Here, Python lets us swap two variables in one line. Think of it like a magic trick. You just switch them at the same time. No temp variable needed. It's clean and faster. Next up is list comprehension. Imagine you want a list of squares of numbers from 1 to 5. Traditionally, you would do this. But Python gives us a one-line magic formula called list comprehension. Think of it like a factory conveyor belt. Each number comes in, gets squared and goes straight to the new list, all in one line. It's faster, clean and Pythonic. Sometimes you want to check if a number is even or odd. You can do it in just one line using Python's ternary operator. Here is how it works. If number modulus 2 equals 0 is true, it prints even. Otherwise, it prints odd. Think of it as a shortcut decision. Normally, you would write an if-else block with multiple lines, but this one line does the same job neatly. Have you ever wanted to reverse a list quickly? Python has a neat trick using slicing. Here is called slicing with the step of -1, which means start from the end and go backwards. Imagine reading a book from the last page to the first page. That's exactly what this slicing does. Finally, let's talk about enumerate. When looping through a list, you sometimes need both the items and its index. Normally, you would do this. But Python gives a much simple way. Enumerate automatically gives the position and the value, so you don't have to manually manage an index. It's like having a GPS for your list. It tells you the position and the item at the same time. Okay, try these tricks in your next Python project. They are small, but they make you code more Pythonic and professional. Thanks for watching and see you in the next Python video.